In this question, you have to identify the mismatch pair. Option A, Rhodospirillum is to Mycorrhiza. Now this is a mismatch because Rhodospirillum is a genus of the photosynthetic nitrogen fixing bacterium and it is not associated with mycorrhiza. Mycorrhiza refers to a symbiotic association between fungi and plant roots. Hence, it is the correct option. Option B, Anabina is to nitrogen fixer. Now, this is a correct match because Anabina, which is a cyanobacterium, it is known for its ability to fix nitrogen. Hence it is incorrect. Option C, Rhizobium is to alfalfa. Now, this is also a correct match because Rhizobium forms a symbiotic relationship with legumes, including alfalfa, to fix atmospheric nitrogen. Hence, it is incorrect. Option D, Frankia is to Alnus. This is also a correct match because Frankia, which is an actinobacterium, it forms symbiotic nitrogen fixing nodules with non-leguminous plants like Alnus. Hence, it is also incorrect.